just a quick little tip, or actually a gift suggestion. This is my pasta pot, and so we're making spaghetti for a bereaved family today. I'm gonna make a double batch, and that's a lot of noodles, and so I'm gonna use my pasta pot, which is really a double pot. This is a strainer basket that fits right down inside it. The brand I have is a Cuisinart, and we use it, really for all of our pastas and anything else that you need to cook in boiling water and then remove to be able to strain. So a strainer pot, pasta pot, recommendation for a gift. It really works well for us. We've had it for a while, and we eat a lot of spaghetti. So, if you're needing that kind of thing, suggest you get a pasta pot. That's what works for me mostly.